In this video, I'll set up and share some of the many amazing features of the Winees F2 Pro security camera. Start by downloading the app and get it set up through the easy to follow process. This state-of-the-art light is a balance between ease of use and very advanced features. It's how the future of tech should be. The dual camera system gives you a true 180-degree view surveillance capability. Compared to other cameras, you get a larger field of view while also giving you a clearer 2K picture without the extreme distortion. So in the case you need the video for evidence or monitoring, over 4 million pixels worth of detail will be in each frame. Powerful 3000 lumen LED lights completely illuminate the darkness using 3 adjustable fixtures. At this home, we tested the 66-foot range and the result exceeded expectations, surpassing the target range. Easily adjust the active area on the AI dot app, and the brightness can be adjusted as needed. We'll go ahead and test the siren and alarm system using an iPad in an ordinary room in a house. This will definitely send intruders running. The F2 Pro uses a variety of advanced features and offers easy-to-use light modes that you can activate through device settings, light mode, then choose the light mode. Set motion mode and the light will trigger during nighttime when someone walks into the active zone. Warning for anyone who is sensitive to flashing lights. You can set security mode and a strobe light will trigger during the nighttime hours when someone walks into the active zone. Set schedule mode and the light will turn on during the hours set. You can also change other various settings on each screen. There are a lot of other amazing features with the F2 Pro camera, including daily email reports and even AI tracking that can identify people, cars, and even when a package is delivered. Learn more about the F2 Pro in the video description.